What if walking directly into your local retail bank to get a mortgage is actually the most expensive financial mistake you could ever make? Millions of homebuyers naturally assume that the giant corporate bank where they keep their daily checking account will automatically give them the absolute best possible interest rate. The unfortunate reality is that retail banks only sell their own highly restricted proprietary products, which means if you do not perfectly fit into their tiny box, you will be either denied or severely overcharged. This is exactly why savvy real estate investors strictly use independent mortgage brokers who have direct wholesale access to dozens of competing lenders across the entire country. A broker acts as your personal financial shopper, legally forcing multiple wholesale lenders to aggressively fight over your business to secure the absolute lowest possible rate and closing costs. Because independent brokers operate with drastically lower overhead than massive corporate bank branches. You can frequently pass those incredible wholesale savings directly back to you. Whether you are buying your very first starter home or your 10th cash-flowing rental property, having a broker in your corner ensures you are never settling for a mediocre retail loan. Let's pull back the curtain on exactly how the wholesale mortgage industry operates so you can permanently stop overpaying giant banks for your real estate investments.